Hello, readers. I'm back. It's me, Mr. Trainer, your reading teacher. I've been on a little bit of a holiday after the other Mr. Trainer kicked me out. I've brought back a new shirt and I'm ready to go for another week of reading. I know last week we were working on mastering the concept of main idea or main ideas, and we have done such an amazing job using the what and so what strategy. What we're moving on to this week is supporting those main ideas with facts from the text or supporting details. And I've got a really cool strategy. No, I'm not high-fiving, I'm not waving to you. We're going to be using my favorite strategy for supporting details, and it's called the hand strategy. As you can see on the screen, we use our palm for the main idea, and then we use our fingers to count all of the facts or the supporting details that support the main idea of a text. Now, I've been doing some reading over the weekend. I found this really cool story, or this really cool book, I should say, on Epic. Now, it's almost a hybrid of nonfiction and narrative because it's kind of told with a narrative sort of introduction, but then it goes through and talks about lots of great facts. The first chapter here, it starts off with the narrative over here of these two kids going to NASA in America, and they start to talk about their experiences. Now, this page here, as I was reading, I found the main idea, and I was actually able to find the main idea in the first part over here as a topic sentence. We learned that some texts have topic sentences that can tell us the main idea. So that was my main idea in my palm. The ISS, which stands for the International Space Station, is a laboratory speeding around the Earth, and you can see that in that first paragraph here. And what I did is I was able to check all of the other paragraphs around the text to make sure that that is what the author really wants me to know from this page. From there, I started to think, okay, how can I support that main idea? What actual facts in the text help back up that main idea that it's a laboratory and it's speeding around Earth? So the first thing I was trying to look for is some facts to help the main idea that it's speeding around the Earth. And there's this fact down here. It says it only takes 90 minutes to make one orbit. So on my hand, I'm going here. It takes 90 minutes to make one orbit. Another fact that I found was that the crew are only in daylight for about 45 minutes and in darkness for another 45 minutes. So that's not long at all. It means they're moving really fast. The other main idea I needed to support was the fact that it was a laboratory. So I found this fact up here that it said people live and work in space, or the space station has made it possible for people to live and work in space. It also says down here that up there, scientists are developing new technologies and conducting experiments. So I know that is what laboratories are for. So in here, I've said that the ISS is a laboratory speeding around the Earth. That's the main idea. And then I was able to find supporting details in the text that support the main idea that I have come up with. So here is the hand strategy today. Think of it as a high five or a wave, a friendly wave. And this is how you can map out your thinking around the main idea and supporting details. So the main idea goes in the middle, and the supporting details go around the fingers. And this helps you really count the main ideas. If you're finding that you can only have one supporting detail to back up your main idea, you might need to rethink your main idea statement and really question whether that is what the author wants you to know. Because you should be able to back your main idea statement up with 1, 2, 3, 4 even statements or facts that support your main idea.